Alright, so we're in DigitalOcean now, and we're going to create a new droplet based off the Ghost one-click image. So we go into droplets, and we go to Marketplace, and then we go, once it loads, we just type in Ghost, select Ghost, yep. We're going to pick a cheaper option than $40 a month, so $5 a month. And the closest data center is Singapore for us. We've already done the SSH key, and we're just going to rename it to something a bit more familiar, like Ghost Blog, and then create droplet. Okay, so now we're going to go to our domain, which in this case we're going to be using juliantagil.xyz, and we're going to add an A record, which is just at. So we're going to say at, so that's the naked domain, is going to point to our blog. All right, and by naked domain, I mean not www. Anyway, we copy the IP address here, and we go to PuTTY, and we punch it in here, punch the IP address in, and then we go and get our SSH key that we already generated. So SSH auth, and then browse for the key. There it is there, temporary key, that's what I called it. And then go back to the session and save this profile. So I'm just saving it over Julian. So there we go. So we've saved it. And the first time I try to log in, because we've done this so quickly, the instance hasn't actually been fully created yet. So it actually fails. But yeah, so it's still working. And then this is going to fail. Give it 1 second. Okay, there it is, it's failed. So we're just going to try it again, PuTTY, and then load. Thankfully we saved it last time. So we load up our instance, and it's just taking its time now, and open. And it gives us a warning just saying, well, connecting to a fresh instance. So I just always click, yeah, that's fine. And then so we use the key phrase that we included in our SSH key, and that brings us into the root user. And here I speed up a few sections, but basically it's doing its basic install and downloading what it needs and doing updates. So just press enter to get it going. And I speed up this as well. So now it's processing and getting everything ready. Then it asks us for our naked domain. So here we are. I just give it a blog URL, juliantagil.xyz. Press enter, and then I just want your email address for this verification. Oh, well, no, it's going to send you emails if it has any issues. And then, yes, I've sped up this bit here. It normally takes a little while. Yeah, so there it goes. It's completed it. All worked out well. So we just copy that URL, and we paste it into our browser. It'll showcase the template blog, which includes lots of tutorial blog posts. And this is done by a staff member of our site called Ghost, and we can delete that staff member and their posts later on. But it's just nice to have those posts to start out with, and we just sort of, here we are, just making our user account, just punch in any old password, and then it logs us in, and we don't need to make any staff accounts at the moment, and there we are. So we're into the interface for making our blog. All right, so that's it.